These are peas. I ate them one bite. And watch this. And we have raspberries back here and over here. And strawberries and kiwi and onions. And that's all I know.
Where's our kiwi?
I don't know.
Oh, I need to see this kiwi. I didn't know we planted any. Hi everybody, I hope you've had a wonderful summer. Our summer is winding down here at Gateway to the Arctic. I'm inside our high tunnel and I feel like it's time that I give you a garden update on how things did this summer growing. It was a cooler and wetter summer than we had last year, and we experimented with some of our plants. So let's see how they did. These big canopies are our Loofah Gourds, and we wanted to experiment with loofahs this summer for a product in the fall. Let me show you this big guy. I am just so stoked with how well these are doing. They're huge. Typically these grow in tropical climates like Florida and California, so I was a tad skeptical on how they would do here in an Arctic high tunnel, but you can see that they are growing. And we are growing these because we are going to experiment with making goat soap. Now that we have a goat here in Milk Snow, we are going to create goat soap and use these loofah sponges to create exfoliating sponges and exfoliating soap bars. So this is one that's really small and growing. The flower is still on the end. These guys will die on the vine and they'll turn brown and their skin will get dried out and the inside becomes very fibrous. And you'll have to stay tuned to see how we process these Loofah Gourds, but they are doing fantastic. Very, very happy about how well they're doing. This is an update on our winter sown onion seeds. They are thriving. These things are massive and they're starting to get the yellow tips on the end. So we know the onions are ready when the green starts to go yellow and brown. So they are about to be done growing, but look how big these guys are. We will definitely be winter sowing our onions going forward every year. Nice and strong. Eggplant was another one that we decided to experiment this year with, and we are getting to the point where we're probably going to harvest a couple of eggplants today for the food pantry. We're very excited about how these are growing so well. Look at that baby eggplant right there. We got a bigger one in the back, but these are doing very well. So I think eggplants will become a regular in our garden going forward. Yum. You see correctly, this is our corn. We have one bed of corn that we are experimenting with, and it is doing great despite the cooler temperatures we've had this year. Look at those tassels way up there, and the ears, they're coming. Looks like we will have corn. You may be wondering why we are growing what looks like grass in our high tunnel. This is a lemongrass bed, and it is being grown solely for us to be able to extract its scent for our goat soap project. I'm incredibly excited to experiment with extracting the lemongrass oil and using it in our soap this fall. So stay tuned to watch how we do that as well, but the lemongrass is doing quite well, and that soap is going to smell amazing. So now that we've seen how the high tunnel has fared, let's check out our garden beds. the garden beds are doing fine. It is a slower growth year. Things took a long time to actually grow because of the cooler temps. So now we are just hoping and praying that the frost will stay away to allow these things to grow to maturity that we are seeing happening right now. Thanks for following along on our garden update, and stay tuned for some of our awesome projects coming this fall, including the harvest. Until next time, take care. Bye.
Here's your carrot. This is the remote. This one does too. Let's see if any more.